Hey guys, welcome back. If you follow me for some time now, then you must be knowing that recently only I became a mom. I have a 2 months old baby, and that means I'm always busy tending to the needs of my little one. So in this video, I came up with a makeup look that can be done easily by any busy mom, and you can achieve this presentable, natural looking makeup look in no time. Because I know once we become a mother, we tend to forget our needs and do not prioritize ourselves. So through this makeup tutorial, my intention is to come with a makeup look which is really easy to achieve by any busy mom. And yes, moms, you need to prioritize yourself as well. So with that, let's get into this makeup tutorial. Step 1 is to do a proper skincare as per your skin type. For my dry skin, I'm going to use this Hydro Barrier Cream. This one is from Etude House. I really love this one. It is so hydrating. This cream instantly moisturizes my skin and gives a perfect base for my makeup. You can use the products as per your skin type and the products that are available with you right now. But if you have a dry skin type and you want to check the products that I am showing, then I will put down the links of all the products that I'm going to use in this video in the description box below, so you can check them out. Now let's come to step 2. As I'm making this video especially for busy moms, I want to make this makeup tutorial very easy, and that's why I'm not going to use any makeup brushes or sponges. I'm going to use all the makeup products that can be blended easily with the help of your fingers. So for my second product, I'm taking this BB cream. This one is from Claire's, and for all the ladies out there who do not have this product, you can use any BB or CC cream that you already have in your makeup kit. Actually, we want to achieve a makeup look which is quick, and that's why I'm going in with the BB or CC cream, which is really easy to blend with the help of fingers only. You can see as I am blending this product, I'm getting some glow out of it and a little bit of coverage as well. You can also use these products and steps to do your makeup really quickly. You can see once I have blended this illuminating cream with the help of my fingers, I have got an even skin tone and a very healthy looking skin. Coming to third step, and that would be doing my eyebrows, because once you do your eyebrows, it instantly defines your face and lifts up your face as well. So this is one step that you shouldn't miss if you have scanty eyebrows like me. Let me quickly define my brows, and I'm using this brow pencil from Mars Cosmetics. I'm almost done with my brows. Let's come to my fourth step, and for that I'm going to use this lip cheek tint from Earth Rhythm. This product is really easy to apply using this doe foot applicator, and now I'll use my fingers to blend this one. This blush is amazing. You can see how pigmented is this, and you won't believe this product has only plant-based ingredients. Wow, can you see what a beautiful rosy glow I have got on my face? This product is something that every mom needs when she is in rush. Let me quickly blend this side as well. And now look, I can apply this product on my lips as well. Wow, what a beautiful shade on lips. It is a cherry shade. So one product, but this can be used as both cheeks and lip tint. Coming to my fifth step is to use an ink eyeliner like this. This one is from Maybelline, and I used to create a small wing in the outer corner of my eyes, just like this. Now for my sixth step, I'm going to use a waterproof mascara. Right now I'm taking this Maybelline Lash Sensational. This one is my favorite mascara. You can see as I'm applying it, I am definitely getting some volume on my lashes. I'll apply this on my lower lashes as well. Now you can see after doing all these 6 steps, I'm looking so presentable. But if you have some more time in your hand, then you can add these steps as well. I'm taking this concealer from Swiss Beauty, which is one of my favorite concealer, and I'll just add this much product underneath my eyes, and then I'll use my finger to blend this out and to brighten up my under eye area. But the steps that I'm going to show you now are really not mandatory, and that's why I've kept them in the end. Now here I want to give you one more tip. As you can see, I've applied very little products, and even for my concealer I just went with one dot, and if you see underneath my eyes, I cannot see any linings yet. So even if I'm not applying any loose powder, I'm still good to go. Also, because I have dry skin type, so my makeup wouldn't budge much. But if you have an oily skin type or a combination skin type, then you have to apply a translucent powder on the areas of your face where you think that you tend to get oily. That's it. You can see I'm able to achieve a presentable and fresh looking face. You guys know that I have a 2 months old baby and I'm always on rush, so something like this helped me to get ready in no time, and I think this video will be helpful for you all as well. And if it was helpful, then please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section below that if you really find it helpful, and do share this video with other moms so that they can also get ready in no time. And with that, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.